Hi everyone, welcome back to our new session of the Uipath. In this session, I will explain you how to perform several operations like adding ticket, deleting ticket, getting or extracting ticket list or updating the ticket from Freshdesk using Uipath automatically. This is Deepak here, and today I will explain you all the components which is required for adding ticket, deleting, extracting the data and updating in Freshdesk. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. Let's begin with this. Before starting with this, we'll need to set up the connection between Uipath and Freshdesk. Then we will need the packages to be installed. So if you don't know about the process, please watch my previous session, or I will mention in description tab. You can use the link for configuration setting or integration with Uipath in Freshdesk. Here we will create one ticket, and with the example we will do several other operations like this, as you can see here. So let me delete this and create for you. As you can see here, connection is already established. Let's check here. Valid connection is established, and inside the Freshdesk application scope, we will extract add ticket. For adding ticket, we need to configure several parameters. If we don't know about which all parameters required, then we have to click on get example data, and from here you can get the detail just like CC email, forward, spam, priority, request. You can also use the value as well, like type of value here and exactly value which you can use it, and the comment section that is more descriptive or more informative. Let's click with the get mandatory parameter. So let me enter here this ticket. This ticket is automatically generated by Uipath. Then we need to enter email ID. So let me enter here test1@gmail.com. So whenever you are working with any organization, we need to enter the organization email ID, or for example purpose you can use this. Status. So if you want to see the status, so there is a status code is available like 2, 3, or you can use it according to your requirement. So enter here 2. Description, you can enter any description which is needed for you. So this is test generated by Uipath, and inside the priority you can keep the priority 1, 2 is for the medium, and 3 which denote low priority. For this type of description, you can go to the Freshdesk account and find out the code which is required for status, priority in other tabs as well. But for understanding, you can use it 1 for high, 2 for medium and 3 for low. So these are the priority. Let's click on OK, and you can see configuration is done. Let me run this command and see the result. Now you can see ID or ticket number 9 is generated here. If you want to revert the command, or let's check inside the portal. So click on tickets. You can see here the new ticket is generated, with the subject name which we have provided, and this is your ID. Let's click on this. You can see here whatever data we have ingested or inserted, same data is available here, like test1, that is the email ID, and then description, subject ID, and other details just like priority. And so if you have mentioned to, that is, it means it's in the open status. And let's click on this. I will show you the status. So we have entered here 1 priority as 1, that is low. When we will enter 2, that is medium, and 3 will denote high priority. So next time, so if you want to revert, you just click on the revert command and same ticket will be reverted from here. So that ticket will no more available here. So I want this ticket for the other purpose, or let's see, to delete this. Revert the command, and you can see that is removed from the Freshdesk account. Now you can see ticket number 9 is removed permanently. Okay, let's perform several other or use several other activities like update ticket. So for updating ticket, we will need ID. So let me update ticket number 8, just like their priority and some description. So here I am providing here 8, that is a ticket ID, and in the configuration parameter, let me enter here priority. I am giving here as a 3, description updated description using Uipath. Status, let me enter here as a 1, and email, I don't want this, and this is also not required. So click on OK. So open it again and run the command. So here we have provided status is at 1, because of that it's not updating. Let me enter here as a 2 and then run the command. Now you can see the ticket detail is updated. Let's check from login. Now you can see it is updated. So let's refresh this page. Now you can see priority is updated and it's in the open status. Let's check the description as well. Same description we have provided in our configuration file. So by this way we can update the file as well. So let me extract the ticket detail or all the ticket list from our login credentials. And you can use these parameters as well, but here I need only ID, the ticket ID which is present inside my login credential. You can also configure it by using ID and provide the number. Once you will enter this detail and click on run select command, you will get all the ticket detail which you have mentioned here. And you can also use several other parameters like update since date, company ID. So you have to provide the decisioning type as well and with the value. So once you will enter and click on the run select command, which will provide you a required data. Here you can filter out the order by any ascending or descending order or by ticketing system or any other detail. But here I want just ID. So let me run this command and you can see whatever incident is available in my system, same incident ID is available here. So let me update or add one more ticket. Okay, run the command. Now you can see ticket ID string is generated. Let's check it is providing in get list or not. Now you can see ID 10 is available here. So by this way, whatever information we will update, same detail will be available inside the get ticket list. If you want to delete any ticket, you just have to enter open ticket or any attachment and enter the ID just like 8 or 10 which we have created recently. So this is an open ticket. If you want to delete any ticket, just have to enter your ticket ID and select the deletion type. If you want to delete any attachment, you can also delete it. Restore any ticket, you can also do that. But if you want to delete any open ticket, you can do that by just providing ID and saving the command save all. So once you will done this and you will run this command, the ticket ID which we have entered here, same ticket, is deleted from our system. So by this way, we can perform several other operations like download all files from the ticket or add any attachment to the ticket. We'll discuss in further session. But here, now we are ending. So let's recap the content which we have started. So for performing any ticketing system operation or creation of any ticket, deletion, updation or extracting the ticket detail, we will need complete configuration setting. So we have already established the setting. You can watch from the previous session. Then we have started with adding a new ticket in our system and we'll check that the ticket detail is available inside our login credential. Then we have updated same ticket and we have extracted the ticket detail as well. Then we have deleted one ticket with example. So this is all about performing operation inside the Freshdesk. Hope you like it. If you really enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon. Thank you for watching.